Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to YouTube Studio for upload optimization step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the YouTube website. Sign in to your YouTube account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select YouTube Studio from the options. The YouTube Studio dashboard will open, displaying your channel analytics. On the left side menu, find and click on Settings located near the bottom. In the Settings menu, go to the Channel tab. Here, you can review your channel details and optimize them for better visibility. Next, select the Upload Defaults tab within the channel settings. In the Upload Defaults section, you can set your preferred title, description, and tags. Input relevant keywords into the description box to improve searchability. Toggle the privacy settings according to your preference for future uploads. Now, specify a thumbnail format or create a custom thumbnail for your videos. Next, click on Save to apply your upload default settings. Return to the main YouTube Studio dashboard by clicking on Dashboard in the left menu. You can click on the Content tab to see your uploaded videos. To optimize and analyze your uploads, click on any video title. This will open the video details where you can edit your optimization settings. Make sure to review the video tags, ensuring they are relevant and effective. You can also access the Analytics tab to track your video performance. Use the insights gathered from analytics to adjust your future content strategy. Continue to explore various features available in YouTube Studio to enhance your channel. Remember to keep checking the updates and guidelines provided by YouTube for optimization strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.